horsepower Bridgeport. This unit is a 42-inch table. Currently it is wired 220, but can also be wired 440. If you notice, this unit has a Bridgeport style power feed unit on it. These are really nice when they do work. This one's in excellent shape, so this does work flawlessly. It comes with a collet and tool holder over here on the side. Also has a shut-off box on the back. So when this is off, the power to the head and to the feed unit are disconnected. If you come over here, there's also a little door inside here. It also comes with an inching wheel for the feed. If you guys don't know where the inching wheel goes, the inching wheel goes right here. A lot of people don't use them. A lot of Bridgeports don't have them. It goes right there so you can inch the feeds. Now this unit is a step pulley unit, which means to change the speed of the motor, you gotta loosen the motor and change the belt up and down on the pulleys. Over here is our forward and reverse switch. You can tell the head sounds like it is in excellent condition. Right now we are in low. We're going to go over to high and move your shifter. And go back here and move your lever to out. Make sure it drops in. Before you turn the power on, you always grab the quill. See how you heard the click? You always got to make sure that the gears are meshed up. Otherwise, you can wipe out the teeth on the gears. This is on high. This unit does knock off an upstroke and on the downstroke. You see it's feeding up right now. You want to change the direction of your feed, just pushing the button changes your direction. You also have three different rates of feed. We'll re-engage this. You can see this is your fastest, this is your slowest, that's your medium. Now to completely disengage the feed, as you can see, you have out and in. Right now it is in. So the worm guide drive is in here, engaged, so you spin your feed. You can see now this is not spinning because this is disengaged. The quill does go down with ease. There's no tight spots. Move the stops all the way down. So you can tell everything's clean. It has been taken apart, clean, put back together for nice, easy operation, nothing sticky or binding. Goes all the way down with ease. It's a little bit tight at that end. I think the clock spring's just adjusted a little tight, but it is a nice, smooth operation. Yeah. Over here on the power feed unit, on the back you have an on and off switch. When you turn it on, the motor's always running. To engage, take your handle to the left, table goes left. To the right, table goes right. Now that's your low, that's your high. Then to change your speed, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So really you have 12 different feed rates. You have 6 settings here, and you can move this over here from high to low. So there's your other 6. So we'll go up one. You can see it engages perfectly. And we'll switch, see, low, high. Low, high. Low, high. Low, high. Come back down here and do these other ones. Low, high. Low, high. See, all the feeds are in great shape on this, so you can gauge it's very easy. You don't have to sit there and fight and struggle with it. And then to put this unit neutral, just put the lever in neutral. When it does come over to the stop dogs, you set your stops right here, and this is when it knocks off the feed unit. We're going to table over this way a little bit so I can demonstrate. Table's going to come up to it. It's going to push the rod over, which moves the shifter back into neutral. See? This unit also comes, of course, with the draw rod. This also comes with the drill chuck too. The ways are not in bad shape on this unit. There is somewhere. They're not horrible. You know, it's got a little worn spot in the middle, but it does still go from end to end. It gets a little bit snug, but it's not bad. Starts getting tight right there. As you can look over here in the back too. Like I said, there's somewhere if you look in the back ways, but it's not too bad. Backlash in the Y is 25 thousandths. In your X, you have gotta get the table away from the stop. There is 40 thousandths in the X.
Bill, line 7, please. Bill, line 7.
The knee goes up and down with ease. As you can see, it goes up. So it comes down. Now this unit does not have a Beezer style system. If you notice, these have grease fittings on it. So instead of putting way lube on these, you have to pump it with grease every so many hours of operation. You got one on each side of the knee too. You got a grease fitting here, and there's also one on the opposite side. Over here on the top of the head, you also have an oil cup. Always make sure that you fill these before each use. This lubes the quill, and this lubes the gears in the top half. This is our 1 horsepower Bridgeport.